wireless charger. 2.0. And I've got a case on this, so it works on the case. Alright, this is my review of the TOZO Wireless Charger. Alright, I don't know why it's not called charger, but that's what it's called. Read the back real quick. It says, attention, remove metal plate of cases before charging USB adapter not included. Fast charge mode requires quick charge 3.0 charger not included. Alright, so here's what the package looks like. I see that's about 6 by 4.5 and a little under a 1/2 inch thick. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay, looks like we got a slot up here to open it. Pull it out. Probably want to keep it head up first. Here's your instructions in English. Alright, looks like it's pretty simple. It's got a USB-C outlet here and a USB standard outlet here. This is a fast charging adapter. I don't know if it's a 3.0, but it's at least 2.0. The actual product is pretty slim. It's less than 1/4 inch thick, and looks like it's a little under 4 by 4 inch circle. It's made out of aluminum. It's got these little stick pads here, and I don't know what that's for. We do have the connection right there. Oh, that's for the light. That's to show that it's actually on. Alright, so I've got the Samsung Galaxy S8 here. It's an old phone. And there we go. It is charging. You can see fast charging. It's at 76%, and it'll only be 46 minutes until it's completely charged. And I've got a case on this, so it works on the case. So you can see when it's actually charging stuff. And it's got a little rubber mat up top, so it sticks to it pretty well. Not easily gonna slide off. There we go. Alright, that's my review. Looks like a pretty good little product. I haven't done, you can tell when it's charging, it turns blue. So that's good. It's a pretty basic item. Looks like it works real well. Alright, anything else I can do for you? Thanks for watching the review. Peace. Lazy.